In the latest version of CtrlOps, we added one more powerful feature: access management. And this solves a very real problem for teams managing multiple servers. Earlier, if you wanted to check who had access to a server, you had to open that server one by one. Go inside SSH management, check the users, then repeat the same process again for every other server. Now imagine you have 20 servers, or 50 servers, and one developer leaves your company. How do you know which servers that person still has access to? You would have to manually check every server, remove the access one by one, and still hope you did not miss anything. That is risky. And for a founder, CTO, or team lead, this visibility is extremely important. So now, CtrlOps gives you one central place to manage server access across your entire workspace. Just open the Access section. The first time you open it, you'll see a simple Scan Access button. This scan is read-only, so nothing changes on your servers until you take action. When you click Scan Access, CtrlOps starts checking all your connected servers. It scans every server and identifies who can log in, which users have access, and how many access grants exist across your infrastructure. As the scan runs, you can see live progress. And once the scan is complete, you get a clean access dashboard. At the top, you can see the total number of people, total servers, and total access grants. Below that, you get a full list of everyone who has access to any server. For each person, CtrlOps shows how many servers they can access. So instead of thinking server by server, you can now think person by person. That means you can instantly answer questions like, who has production access? Who still has access to staging? Which contractor can log into which server? And does any former team member still have access? Now, when you click on any user, CtrlOps opens a detailed side panel. Here, you can see the full list of servers that person can access. If you want to remove that person from just one server, click Remove beside that server. And if you want to fully offboard that person, CtrlOps gives you a Remove from All Servers option. Before doing that, CtrlOps asks for confirmation. You type the person's name, confirm the action, and then CtrlOps removes that user's access across all selected servers. No need to SSH into every server. No need to edit authorized keys manually. No need to worry that you missed one machine. Now let's say a new developer joins your team. Instead of adding their SSH key separately on 5 different servers, you can do it from one place. Click Add User, add the person's name, paste their SSH public key, then select the servers where you want to grant access. You can select one server, multiple servers, or all servers. You can also choose the target user or role for that server based on how your access is structured. Once everything is selected, click Grant Access, and CtrlOps adds that user to all selected servers in one flow. This is the real benefit of access management in CtrlOps. You get full visibility of who can reach your servers. You can remove risky or unused access. You can offboard people faster. And you can give new team members access to multiple servers without repeating the same work again and again. As an owner or team lead, this is not just a convenience feature. This is control. Because if you do not know who has access to your servers, you are already carrying a security risk. With CtrlOps Access Management, you can see it, review it, and revoke it, all from one place. CtrlOps. Manage server access with clarity, offboard safely, and stay in control.